So, welcome back to another vlog. So, excuse my face kasi di pa ako naliligo, guys. I was planning to start my vlog later pa, but then we started doing stuff for ARC. Have to tie-dye some shirts kasi papa-embroider ko pa siya. So, I decided to vlog now so you guys will see how I do my stuff for my business, and you guys also enjoyed my last vlog that's related to ARC. So yeah, here's more vlogs about that. And then later I'm gonna head to my dad's house because every weekend I stay with my dad. And I'm also gonna be packing some of my gifts for my friends, so you guys will see me pack that. So yeah, that is basically what I'm gonna be doing today. Hope you guys enjoyed this weekend vlog. So I'm gonna start working na because ready na yung mga tie-dye ko. I already took a shower, as you guys can see, and I'm already here at my room in my dad's house. So, ate, wait lang. You know, nahulog yung LED lights ko, guys. Nahulog siya. But I'll show you guys an update on how my room looks like here. Wala masyado nagbago kasi I didn't get to organize or like fix and buy stuff na for it. So, Jenny is here. Anyways, my table is still here. Super gulo kasi kakadating lang namin. And then, ito, medyo same pa rin siya from last time. I have a small stool here. May ka-pairing pa siyang isa pa, pero it's currently in the other room. And then, I just have a throw pillow, and then this rug. This is my mini walk-in. Sobrang gulo ng stuff ko, guys. And then, I have this clothing rack with some wooden hangers kasi dito ako nagpipicture for ARC. So, right now, empty siya kasi all my stocks are in the other house. And then, I have LED strip lights here na inaayos ni ate kasi nahulog. And finally, guys, I have my curtains. And super cool ng curtains ko because I have a remote. Ito siya, guys. I'll show you guys how it works. So, if I want to open it, I'm gonna click it lang. And then, if I want to close it naman, another click lang. There. So, super like hotel vibes. Super cool. I'll turn on my LED lights also for you. So, you can see. Ito yung remote naman for my LED lights. So, let's turn it off. Okay lang ate, buksan ko ah. Okay, let's turn it on. There, so you can change the color. There, super nice. I love it. It's parang 300 plus ko lang ito nabili sa Shopee. And then red. There. I love it. So, basically, yeah, that's updated my room. Nothing much has changed. Okay, so medyo nakasettle in na kami. Ate's helping me buo yung boxes. Yan, pakita nyo. Say hi kayo. Hi. Hiya pa eh. Okay, so, I'm gonna be unboxing naman this paper bag kasi it has the material. So, I'm gonna show you guys what I got my friend. Super duper cute. Kasi syempre, diba, coronavirus, sobrang essential ang alcohol. Hala! Hindi natin nadala yung alcohol. Yung galon ng alcohol. Pupunuin ko to eh. Ah, okay. Anyways, basically, sa baba meron. Oh, I bought these personalized parang alcohol na may clip na pwede nilang ilagay sa bag nila. So, it has their names here. I don't know if you guys can see, pero ano siya, holographic. Like this one says Charlene, and then this one says Monica. I have shirts that I'm gonna give Monica and Charlene. And then I have this jar with chocolates. I have what else? Shorts. I'm gonna explain to you guys lang later ano yung bibigay ko sa friends ko. I have velvet pajamas here. And then I have these 2 packs of Instax film that I think I bought in Japan, if I'm not mistaken. Kasi usually, nagpapaprint ako kay Charlene ng Instax, but then never ko siya nagamit, and Carisha already has yung Instax mismo. So, I just decided to give it to her for Christmas / her birthday kasi her birthday is also this December 22. So, parang 2-in-1 gift. So, mas madaming sa kanya. And then, I also have these Christmas parang plastic na for the food toy kasi I bought macarons, my favorite. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And naisip ko, like, I'm gonna give my friends parang 2 each siguro, tapos ilalagay ko siya here. So, Parang basically yung concept ng gift ko is naka-box siya. Ate Perang. Naka-box siya. So when you open it, it has my gift, and then it has the alcohol, and then it has the macaroons. So I hope it turns out super cute. And then what else do I want to show you guys? Oh, nagpagawa rin pala ako ng stickers. Let me show you. This is the stickers that I was saying na pinagawa ko. It just says Christmas, and then from Lexy Rodriguez. And then, ito naman, other design. May Christmas tree naman siya. It just says, have a very Merry Christmas. So, super cute. I love it so much. And then I also brought some stickers. Yung sa ARC para pag binalot ko yung clothes. And then I just have a pen. And then, ito pala yung ribbons na gagamitin ko. Same with my ARC holiday packaging. So, yeah, I'm gonna wrap this box with these two, and then yeah, that's basically it. Ito yung mga gifts ko, jar, and then ito yung stuffs ko. And then I have more chocolate pa pala here. In-order ko siya online kasi di naman nakakalabas, so pinag-grab deliver ko na lang siya. Wait, there, kisses. And then these are my stuff. Tapos ito ipapadala sa JNT. And then let's unbox this one later, and then ito na yung mga box. Thank you, ate. So, our McDo just arrived. It's already 2:25 and di pa kami kumakain ng lunch. So, kakain muna kami bago namin nag-continue mag-pack or mag-start mag-pack. So, yan si Ate Jenny. Model mo yung McDo, ate. Model mo. Paano? Smile ka, smile ka. Tapos ipakita mo yung McDo. Ano mo to? Sabi ko kasi sa kanya, siya mag-model ng McDo, tapos si ate mag-model ng alcohol. O, model mo naman yung alcohol, ate. Pakita mo. Okay, so this is what we got. Crispy chicken fillet for me, and then float and fries. And then, we got chicken McDo. Okay, guys, so we are done eating. Busog na kami. Busog na ba kayo, ate? Busog na. So, the first thing that we'll be doing is we're gonna be filling up yung etong mga to, yung bottle ng alcohol. So, we have our alcohol here. This is actually my dad's, you know, Joyride and Happy Move alcohol pa. So, since may pump naman to, madali na lang siya kasi ganyan namin siya ilalagay. Oh. Yan, show mo, ate. Yan, okay. Done filling all of these up with alcohol. So, 6 friends lang yung bibigyan ko this Christmas. So, yung mga super close ko lang talaga. So, I have Carisha. You guys know her. Gabby. This is my UANP friend. And then, we have Monica. And then, we have Kirsten. Si Kirsten and yung Carisha yung always yung nakikita sa vlogs ko. And then, we have Charlene. And then, we have one for Echo. And then, I have here sa notes ko sa phone yung specific friend, tapos kung anong gift yung ibibigay ko sa kanya. So, I'll start off with Monica's muna. So, naglagay lang kami ng paper here para yung background niya. Tapos, ito yung shirt na ibibigay ko sa kanya. Show it to you guys. Itutupi na lang ulit natin siya. But ito yung shirt niya, guys. It's super cute. You guys can get this from my shop. Yan, it just says Art Manila, tapos pa-flower siya. I designed this on my own. And then, it also has an embroidery here sa harap. Minimal lang yung front. Kasi diba ito yung uso niya yung sa back yung design. So, this is what I got her. So, this is the current situation. Now, for Charlene, I'm giving her the same thing with Monica, pero the blue version. Ate, show mo yung likod. So, yan naman siya. And then, the flower is really nice. Look, it just says Art Manila as well. So, we have Monica's and Charlene's. Now, I'm doing Carisha's gift. I'm gonna be giving her the red velvet pajamas. Tapos, these Instax. And then, this box, guys, it's different kasi it's for Echo. So, I got him a jar with kisses na chocolates. Tapos, may natira pa ako here. So, I might give these to my friends na lang. Or we'll see. Tapos, I have a letter. And then, alcohol. Tapos, I also got him, like, something pa. Which is, like, naka-separate paper bag. So, kaya black yung box para matchy dun. Now, we'll be packing the macaroons. If you guys are wondering where I ordered, this is my favorite. For me, mas sulit siya compared to Bizu. Kasi Bizu is really expensive. And the taste, I mean, it's okay lang naman. Mas gusto ko to. So, it's from Sugar Studio. Okay, so, this is my bathroom pala, guys. So, I'm gonna wash hands. Ayan. Saan yung kamay ko yung nag-wash? Ako si Jenny pa talaga. So, example for Charlene. Ganyan ko siya ilalagay, guys. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so, we'll continue filling up 5 more bags and get back to you guys after. We're done packing the macarons. Kaso lang ito, guys. Kinulang yung vanilla kasi 5 lang yung order ko. 6 pala to. So, dalawang pistachio for this one. Papasok ko lang siya here. This one's for Carisha. Ganyan ba, ate? Ganyan? Ayan. Ganyan siguro, no? Tapos, that one's for Kirsten. So, ayan. Pasok natin din yan. This one's for Monica. Ayan. Okay guys, so nandito ako nakahiga sa sahig, but I'm gonna be writing down na the names of my friends para pag sinara ko yung boxes, alam ko na which is which. So, so, we're done packing. Pero guys, isang color lang ng ribbon kasi 2 rolls of ribbon lang dala ko. So, natakot ako na baka maubusan. So, I just used 1 color. Anyways, I already chatted Charlene. Na-book ko na yung grab niya. Pero on the way pa lang here. So, guys, dito na daw yung grab for Charlene. So, video lang na binibigay mo kay Kuya.
Kuya, wag daw po alugin kasi may pagkain daw po.
Subukan ko, mama, kasi malayo yung biyahe natin.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay na po? Lexy po?
Oo. Para kay Gabi Delgado. Kuya, paan lang.
Hanapin.
Also pala guys, while waiting, let's do an unboxing from PR package from Nivea. They actually sent this to me like 2-3 days ago, I think. It's so cute, you guys. Look at this. And it's filled with products. So the first thing that I got is this Fresh and Bright kit. So this one is like a men's set. And then I think they sell these kits as well. So these are really nice, you know, for your family members if you guys are looking for a last minute present. And then there's this Dreamy Fresh face. So it comes with their whipped foam, extra white, and their micellar water. And then this one for sleeping. Super cute rin to guys, pang gift idea. Sobrang nice pa ng packaging niya. And then I got this Nivea Care Essentials. So it comes in this pouch naman, and then it has their Intensive Moisture Body Milk Lotion and the Nivea Cream. And in here, there's a bunch of products. Wait, someone's calling me. Hello?
Ma'am, magandang araw. Sa Grab Express ako, ma'am.
So, sila ate are doing something kasi naglilinis sila ng house because we have guests. So, ako na lang magdadala sa labas. Ako na.
Doon ako nag-doorbell mo.
Sorry.
Muntik na magalit, ha?
Magalit?
Hindi naman. Muntik lang.
Shoots, ma'am, sa akin.
Ito.
Shoots.
Salamat.
Maamon ko.
Ito kay Monica. Salamat, kuya. Ingat.
Tayo, ma'am.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Huwag mo lang alagyan, kuya. Hi kayo sa vlog. Lexy Rodriguez.
Ha?
Sa YouTube.
Lexy Rodriguez. Magkanorin dyan,
Sige, kuya. Salamat. Wow, nag-earn pa ako ng bagong subscriber, guys. Ang bait nila, kuya. And mali pala yung napin kong bahay. So, sa kabilang house daw sila nag-doorbell. My bad. Nagmamadali kasi ako mag-book. So, anyways. Here na at home. So, my wifey, Lexy, sent me a package from Art. It's so pretty. I'm gonna open it. Oh, it's so cute! It's so cute! Lexy! So I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I love my wife so much. Thank you, Lexy. I love you and I love it. I love it.